What's happening, people? Back with another reaction, back with some more Flock of Seagulls. And we're continuing with The Light at the End of the World, 1995. Thank you to all those who've been following this deep dive and this chapter of it, which again is a bit of a leap forward in time. And the next track is You're Mine, which is a possessive statement. And of course, we're hearing one side of it. We don't know if the person being addressed considers themselves the property of the person who's doing the speaking, though I would guess that even if it is of that controlling nature, it is not in a literal sense, but psycho-emotionally theirs, romantically theirs, interpersonally theirs, though again, that can be quite domineering depending on the characteristics of the relationship. So yes, I wonder if this is a feeling both sides share, or if it's coming from the narrator but disputed or disagreed with by the person being addressed. I wonder the degree to which this psycho-emotional, romantic, interpersonal possession is meant in a benevolent light or otherwise. I'll see what I can catch on a first listen. This is Flock of Seagulls. The track is You're Mine, and it's from their 1995 album, The Light at the End of the World.
Better than I do. I'd like to show you everything you need to know.
Presumptuous.
I'd like to wrap you tightly in my arms. Free from all the harm. Baby, I will never hurt you. I will never make you cry. Never leave you or desert you. You know why? Take you, although I'm far away. You know I love you, and love is forever and one day. Baby, I will never hurt you. I will never make you cry.
So you say.
Never leave you or desert you, 'cause you're mine. La 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 la. You're
So presumably that rolls into the next track. But yeah, a beautiful tune, of course, and a couple quip comments hinting at that. I do wonder what the person on the other side of this thinks. But yeah, he seems to be making the same argument that Rick Astley once famously made, that he's never going to give her up, he's never going to let her down, never going to make her cry. He wants to protect her, he wants to keep her safe from all the harsh ugliness in the world out there. And he's indicating his devotion and singularity of romantic purpose. Though again, I suppose it depends on what the attitude of the other person is to know how healthy or appropriate that might be. Now again, if they're into him, which, I don't know, I guess by the nature of the lines, it's maybe up in the air, it's maybe not completely perfectly clear, because you wouldn't need to declare that, look, I just want to keep you safe, I'm never going to make you cry, if they already knew that, if they were, comfortable. It'd be like the enjoy the silence, the, all I ever wanted, all I ever needed is here in my arms. Words are very unnecessary. Like, they already know it, it's already here, it's in the present. This feels more like a declaration that, like, look, I just want the best for you, I want to be your man, I want to be, your forever partner. I want to take care of you, protect you, be there for you, and I'm never going to fail you in that regard. So maybe it's sort of in an intermediate period, though again, I don't think we hear the opinion of the other side. But yeah, I enjoy his vocals. There's a lot of non-verbal melodic vocals in this one, and I enjoyed those long extensions leading into that, what was it, la-di-da-di-da, something like that. I enjoyed that vocal expression, which came around a few times especially. And yeah, sonically, it had some blues guitar that I noticed at the beginning. It's got some epic guitar. It also had some, like, softer, just melody setting guitar. It had those, like, high, crystalline, I think, keyboard touches. There were some other, like, keyboard chords giving more, like, a pad melody supporting. Definitely those drum flourishes, which would go around and around and around and around into the measure change, which I enjoyed. So yeah, kind of like an epic synth ballad, something like that. That's where I would put this one stylistically. But again, I'm really enjoying going through this album, knowing that, number one, it's different from kind of the dance direction they went to in the second half of the 80s, and not identical to their earliest stuff, for which I think they are most famous. But still, I think you can hear some continuity, even as they try out some different stylings, and again, have styles that are less overtly electronic, again, with like blues guitar and so on. So yeah, I enjoyed it. I'm enjoying this album. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you for the next one. Peace.